I'm going to show you how to adjust color in the preview app. First, you have to open up the app, and here we have picture. From here, we just go into the top row, click on tools, and here we click on adjust color. And here we will have multiple options to edit our picture. We can set the exposure, we can set the contrast, we can set the highlights, shadows, saturation, the temperature, the tint, sepia as well, and sharpness. We can reset, we can play with these values as well. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.